To get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. You know I see you know that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Tell me you're the time, baby, oh yes, I wanna be down. I wanna be down, yeah. Down with you, down with you, yeah. Wanna be down, yeah, yeah.
Montana.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. You know I see you know that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Tell me you're the time, baby, oh yes, I wanna be down.
It's your girl A. I come at you guys today with a review being brought to you by none other than Samsbeauty.com. They sent me the Instant Glitz Retro Puff Drawstring Ponytail, and I have it in a color 1B. This is going to be the medium puff. And this style does come in a small, medium, or large, so you can definitely get it as large as this, but I chose the medium one. The small one it looks even bigger as well. This is a synthetic drawstring ponytail, so you know these are very easy to manage, easy to maintain. You really don't have to do too much, but you know, apply the netting back over and put it back in its packaging, and it's good to go. You can definitely get away with this style for everyday wear if you like. It's very simple, cute, easy to go with, and you know we are in the hotter months, so I think a drawstring ponytail is really appropriate. I really love the texture of this particular drawstring ponytail. It's nice and natural. It does mimic my natural curl pattern, as you guys can see. It blends very easily as well. I just went ahead and I did my foundation. I just added about maybe 2, 4, 6, 8, about 8 braids to my head, and I went ahead and added some hair jewelry just to give it a little bit, you know, more you know, a little bit of glitz, so it'll look, you know, so this doesn't look so plain, you know, because this is a very simple style. So the hair jewelry just gives it a little extra flair, not too much though. But yeah, I am loving this drawstring ponytail. It's very lightweight. I really, really love the pattern for this. It's so natural. I really am loving it. So let's address the elephant in the room. I know you guys are kind of wondering what happened to my natural hair. I had to cut it, not by my choice, but because it was a much needed cut, because my hair was damaged. It had a lot of heat damage from me getting it straightened. So yeah, I had to do a drastic cut to my hair because it was very, very damaged. But you guys will see more natural hair care videos from me, so I can show you guys how I will go ahead, you know, how I will retain my length and get it back, you know, get it growing healthy again. And so you guys will definitely see more hair care videos for that. But let me show you the puff in all its glory. It is so pretty, so bouncy. You have movement to it, so it's not going to be one of those stiff drawstring ponytails. It's very, very full, as you guys can see. And the best part is it is under $10, so you have a quick, easy slay, everyday wear ponytail that you can definitely manage. This is very beginner friendly. I mean, honestly, simple style. You can't go wrong with a drawstring Afro puff. So yeah, as far as shedding, I'm not getting any shedding from this ponytail. No tangling, of course. So I mean, honestly, this ends the review right here. I mean, there's nothing more that I can really say, but if you are interested, of course, I will leave all purchase links down below in the description box, of course. So let me know what you think about this style on me. I will come at you guys with more natural hair ponytails that look like this, because, you know, I know that sometimes the very long glitzy ponytails y'all may not like. So I definitely will come at you guys with some more natural ponytails, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.